Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. This will be a fairly quick one. I have the fan on floor here, blowing up towards me, trying to stay somewhat cool. Uh, I made the effort today since I had a visitor, had someone come and take away some of my woods that I'm not using. And so I thought I'd clean the upper section off. And I brought all of that down here. So I've got some beech, I've got some red oak, quarter-sawn red oak, I've got some more beech and oak and maple. This pile I'm going to put up on Marketplace, and I doubt I'll sell it. I'll probably give it away. It's beautiful wood. It's for someone who does smaller crafts. Now, the quarter-sawn oak, on the other hand, was stored up there with just like this, vertically, with air spaces between it. So each of these were hand planed by me and recorded the date and the moisture content. So this one, the moisture content on the first, well, on January 28th, January 28th of 2018 was 11.1%. On February 1st of 2019, that's when this got hand planed, it was down to 10.4%. So this is beautiful quarter grain. See the ray fleck? Absolutely gorgeous. So that's the reason I save stuff like this. This is marked B for the back only because I surface planed this side, but in reality, that will become the face when it comes time to use it. And they're all like that. Some of them less so, but these are ready to have something made out of them. I have to figure out some sort of a box. And I did make out of this material a cremation urn for someone, a nice box that they could put the box they got of their family member inside of. So that might be a good use for this. Jewelry boxes, maybe even taking a board like this and ripping it and making a picture frame. Lots of possibilities. But this is going away, and I'm continuing my clean out. So, yeah, everyone needs to do this at least once in a while, because there's stuff on the shelves that is going straight into the burn bin. I mean, in reality, what do I need this little piece of walnut for? If I was a crafter, I could use this, okay? And I think I used this when I was putting the side cheeks on Little East Meets West. So you see, sometimes you need just a little piece of walnut. So I guess I'll look at it a little carefully. You know, something like this has merit, and it is walnut after all. But if you could do me a favor, let me know if any of you live near me, because there's a lot of stuff here. And If you look at the map of Pennsylvania, the northern tier of Pennsylvania is bordered with the southern tier of New York State. When you go to the west, and I guess that would be west on camera, you would head towards the Great Lakes. Okay? But we're right about in the middle of Pennsylvania, near the northern tier. So a fun thing to do would be to have you all just put your state initials down in the comment section. So we're in PA. Put your state down there. If you live in a foreign country, say hello from Finland, Sweden, Germany, Oslo, wherever you're from. And it would be a fun thing to do just to see where everybody is watching from. So that's it for now. I'm going to do another video right after this on two things that I found that are actually jigs or workshop devices that are useful. And I'll explain what they are. That's all for now. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.